Oh, 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 civilization, I'll miss you when you're gone, and your funny little ways, the way you bare your teeth all the time, your retro-urban redneck style, your denial of your endless denial. Spare me the details, the squalid history, and come and stare into the abyss with me. Apocalypse won't be bad as you would think. Well, it cancels all your debt. Those photographs that you should not have sent, the job that asks you for bits of your soul, all of that striving and all that ambition. Open your window and let it all blow free, and come and stare into the abyss with me. To the past, and if you join the dots between the stars, what you think they'll say? What you think they'll say? What will they say? When all your choices have dwindled down to two, I will stare into the abyss. I will stare into the abyss. I will stare into the abyss with you. Rum da 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 dum.